Okay, so to disable built-in noise reduction in Samsung video cameras, you have to kinda there. I find out two solutions. Okay, so now I'm gonna say the solution and then I'll talk a little about this problem. The first solution is to open your camera app and go to the videos, which obviously we're fixing the video, and go to the settings and just disable the no video stabilization and try your camera and see if there's sharpness and you decide. And if this solution didn't work, you need to go and download this app Cinema 4K in Play Store. Search for Cinema 4K and install it. You can buy the paid version of it, and it will make a huge difference. Like as you can see now, there's noise. There's a little bit of noise, but there's a massive sharpness. Like there's massive sharpness. So when you open the app, the paid version is $1, I think, but the free version just has everything. You can use the free version, and yeah. So you open the settings in the app and you make sure that's on the rear camera. And I choose 30 fps because my phone, the A32, is 30 fps, and I choose the resolution above my phone's resolution, which is my phone's resolution is 1080p, and I choose 1440p, and I choose 30 megabytes, and then the stabilization I choose optical, this which is I think the default, and then we come to the important part, which is noise reduction. You must disable the noise reduction. Okay, so it will be on normal, and you just click the arrows, the right arrow, to go to disable it. So make sure it's written disabled. Noise reduction is disabled, and display brightness set it to system, which you can see over here. Display brightness set it to system, and then just go back and just watch the difference, and you can see it says 4040p and 30 fps, 30 megabyte, and you can shoot a video. You can notice a huge in sharpness, so much sharpness in the picture. And if you go out and just videotape the trees, it will make a huge difference in trees. Even this app even has a better colors. So, and if you want if you do not want this app, there are more apps in the Play Store. Just write camera in the search and you can download more apps, but I recommend this app. This is really good app for recording. And yeah, so this built-in noise reduction, this problem in the Samsung cameras, it makes like when you shoot a video, it will remove the noise. So every video you shoot, it has noise. So the Samsung camera just has a built-in noise reduction, which will remove the noise. This is a good thing, but in the meantime, it will smooth out the picture. So when it smooths out the picture, it will make the video, it will be unnatural. It will be so smooth and no sharpness, no detail. If you shoot out trees with the default Samsung A32 camera and maybe other phones too, it will make trees look awful. Yeah, so there's no detail, there's just smoothness. There's no like the things in like in the out world don't look right. Yeah, so I recommend this app, Cinema 4K. You can download it from the Play Store, and that's it. These are the two solutions I have for the Samsung built-in noise reduction problem.